What are you eating now? You're eating chips with chamoy and whatever Campbell's cream soup is. That is. What the hell, child? Is that good? It's hot. Why are you eating it if it's hot? And now you're licking your fingers. Don't wipe it on your... You want some water?
Huh?
You want some water?
Huh?
Ooh, you know what's good for hot? For chili stuff? Yogurt. Okay, let's try some yogurt. Yogurt? There we go. There. That's gonna calm your stomach. At least I hope so. Ready? Yogurt. Can you say yogurt? Can you say yogurt? You like yogurt? Okay. You want any more of this? You want some of these? You want more? You can get more. What? Easy. What do you want? Más what? Oh, más. Because I don't know when you're speaking to me in Spanish. Wait, that one was for me. Hold on, that one's for me. I'm eating too. And feeding you. And recording this. Why? I don't know. Put it down. What? Put it down. Leave it alone. Sebastian, leave that alone. Hold on. I'll give you more. Hold on. Put down the needle. Don't touch it. Just leave it there. Okay? Stop. Stop. Put that down. Ready? Say stop. Stop. Say cheese. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye? Okay.